Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're exploring a product that's all about freedom, independence, and easy mobility, the Rascal Venture 4-wheel mobility scooter. If you're searching for a reliable travel scooter that combines comfort, range, and portability, this is definitely worth a closer look. The Rascal Venture is designed to make everyday life smoother, whether you're indoors or outdoors. With its 4-wheel stability, it ensures a safe and balanced ride across different terrains, carpets, pavements, or smooth outdoor paths. Unlike 3-wheel scooters that can feel a bit wobbly, the 4-wheel design provides extra confidence, especially for seniors or anyone who values stability. Powering this scooter is a long-range rechargeable battery that allows you to travel farther without worrying about frequent recharges. That means more trips to the park, more time shopping, and more freedom to move around on your own terms. And yes, the battery is included right out of the box, so you're ready to go from day one. One of the best features is its compact and portable design. The Rascal Venture easily breaks down into manageable pieces, making it simple to store in a car trunk or transport when traveling. For users who need a scooter that fits into their active lifestyle, this flexibility is a big plus. Let's pause here. Imagine heading out for a family outing, loading the scooter quickly into the car, and then using it all day without worrying about comfort or running out of charge. That's the type of independence this scooter offers. Comfort also matters, and the Rascal delivers with a padded, supportive seat and adjustable tiller. This means you can customize your riding position to suit your needs, reducing strain and making longer rides more enjoyable. Built for indoor and outdoor use, it's maneuverable enough to handle tight indoor spaces while still rugged enough for outdoor paths. The thoughtful design balances portability with durability, making it an excellent choice for everyday mobility. So if you're looking for a reliable, long-range, and easy-to-transport mobility scooter, the Rascal Venture 4-wheel could be your perfect companion. Check out the Amazon link below to learn more and grab yours today. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more reviews on smart and practical gadgets that improve everyday life.